describing the impact of temperature on reaction rate. In this practice problem, it says, how does increasing temperature affect the rate of reaction? We know that A and B are wrong right off the start because it says the activation energy decreases or increases. We know that temperature does not impact the activation energy. So A must be wrong and B must be wrong. Unless they were talking about a catalyst, we know that A and B are wrong. So temperature does affect the kinetic energy. It increases the movement of the particles in a reaction or the reactants. So when the reactants have more kinetic energy, so the frequency of their effective collisions increases. So while moving more, they can potentially hit each other in more effective collisions that can make a reaction happen faster. So C is definitely the answer to our question. So C is the answer to our question. D says the reactants have more kinetic energy, but the frequency of effective reaction collisions decreases, which we know is not true because they would increase with the amount of movement. So imagine you're in a crowded room. If you're moving faster, you're going to bump into more people. So C is definitely the answer. And we know that E is wrong because C shows that the reaction rate is impacted by the temperature.